Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Cousin Chloe. Now, I often get questions about my red eyebrows and how I achieve them. So I figured I'd put together a very quick tutorial to show you how to do red eyebrows. Hope you enjoy. Take your pencil and outline the eyebrow like such. Fill in the edges. Grab your ABH Clear Brow Gel and put the hairs in place. A couple of coats should do. Let it dry. Grab your concealer and your Morphe 167 brush, and we're going to shape the brow. I just get a little bit on the edge of my brush. And clean up the bottom. Grab your Morphe M335 and just blend out the edges. Almost done. Grab your NYX 3-in-1 brow pencil in Auburn and go back in with your pencil. Just on the outer end part. Take the other end of your NYX 3-in-1 brow pencil and you're gonna take the spoolie and ombre the front. And take it along the ends very lightly. And at this point, your eyebrows should be a little coarser because the eyebrow gel that you put on it earlier should be dry. Take a spoolie and kind of lightly shade the front of both brows. All I'm doing is barely going over the front of it and going in towards the front, towards the center of the face. Clean up the top with a foundation or concealer closest to your skin tone. Blend it out. And you want to blend up away from the brow. Hope you enjoyed the finished product. I look forward to making more videos for you in the future. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at CousinChloe. That's CousinChloe. And feel free to leave suggestions in the comment box. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Hit the notification bell too.